Hello, I am Susanna, and today I will talk about the cleaning products what you can have at home. Mihi's cleaning and washing dishes. It will be funny and leaves a fresh sense. And remember, all are vegans of these products. We start with the Power Toilet Cleaning Gel. It is a nice cleaning product what you leave in your toilet for about 15 minutes before you are using a brush and wash it. It will clean your toilet very good. So this is absolutely amazing. And of course, it will give you a nice smell of lime. And then we have the multi surface cleaner, what is for your floor, of course. And it is again a ecology foundations. As soon you are cleaning it ready, you can throw it outside. It is not harming your nature or your garden at all. Then we have the bath cleaning anti-raid. And this is very important because you need to get the bathroom clean. And it is pleasant fragrancy, safe for you to use, and it will not need too much of clean water to wash it off. It is very easy to use. Then we have one of my favorite, fast and cleaning dishwashing gel. It works even in cold water, of course, and it's very economy to use. And this I love it because it removes the grease from your plates and whatever you use, your pots. And then we have the anti-grease remover. And I have tried it right now in my oven. You leave it for 15 to 30 minutes. And then you only use clean water to wash it off. And it is very easy. You get the dried and burnt dirt away. And when you have cleaned it with the fresh water, you don't need to heat up the oven again before you can use it. You can use it straight away. It has a very nice smell of grapefruit and absolutely amazing product. I love it. Then we have the fridge and kitchen furniture cleaner. You know that in the fridge it will happen small accidents from time to time, so you need to clean it. And here you have absolutely a good product what does not leave any smell, and it removes your old odors in the fridge. Of course, it takes away your fingerprints on the doors. And if you need to wash your kitchen furniture, it is okay to use. So absolutely a product what you need. And then we have the screen cleaner. As you all know, we use the phone, tablets, computer, TV, and sometimes you need to clean them. This is absolutely a product what I have tried, but for me it's not working at all. So I use a different whippet for my phone and my computers. So in this case, I can't tell you if it's okay or not. Then I will give you some advice for your old perfume. If you have old perfume what you not use anymore, do not throw it away. Put it in your toilet. After you have been on the toilet, it can smell a little bit, and spray it in the air, and the odor is away, and the second part can go in there without any problems. And if you have children, or why not yourself, you get a mosquito bite. So spray a little bit of this old perfume on where the mosquito has bite you, and the itching is immediately away from the area, and you don't have to worry that you is scratching your skin away because of the itching. What you all know that is a very big part at the summer, that you have a lot of small problems with the mosquito bites. Then let us clean everything tomorrow, and you find all of these products in my small web store. Of course, not the old perfumes. That is something what you find at your home. If you like this video, I hope so. And see you in the next video. I do not know yet what I am going to talk about, but something it is. So, till then, bye.